Here's a step-by-step tutorial to troubleshoot and fix the issue where Workstation A and Workstation B both have the IP address 192.168.1.100. As a result, both devices lose network access or experience instability. So the problem here is a duplicate IP address conflict. Two devices on the same network just can't have the same IP address. Alright, step 1 is to confirm the IP conflict. On Workstation A, go ahead and press Windows +R, type CMD, and press Enter. Then type ipconfig and note the IPv4 address. After that, repeat the same process on Workstation B. If both show 192.168.1.100, then yep, the IP conflict is confirmed. Next up, step 2 is to identify the IP assignment method. You'll want to check if the IP is static, meaning it's manually set, or if it's automatic, which is DHCP. On both workstations, go to Control Panel, then Network and Sharing Center, and choose Change Adapter Settings. Now, right-click Ethernet or Wi-Fi and select Properties. Choose Internet Protocol version 4, or TCP/IPv4, and click Properties. If Obtain an IP address automatically is selected, it's using DHCP. If Use the following IP address is selected, then it's set as static. Step 3. Let's fix the IP conflict. First, here's option A, which is the recommended way. Set your computers to obtain an IP address automatically. On both or just one of the workstations, choose Obtain an IP address automatically and Obtain DNS server address automatically. Then, click OK, close out of the settings, and restart the computer. This lets your router assign unique IP addresses to each device, making things a whole lot easier. Now, if you need a special setup, here's option B, assigning unique static IPs. On Workstation A, go ahead and set the IP address to 192.168.1.100. The subnet mask should be 255.255.255.0. For the default gateway, enter 192.168.1.1. That's your router's IP. On Workstation B, set the IP address to 192.168.1.101. Use the same subnet mask and default gateway as before. Just make sure these IPs aren't already in use by any other devices on your network. Step 4 is to reboot your devices. Restart Workstation A, Workstation B, and if you need to, your router as well. Next up is Step 5, testing your network connection. On each workstation, open up Command Prompt. First, ping the default gateway by typing ping 192.168.1.1. Then try pinging the other workstation. So from Workstation A, type ping 192.168.1.101, and from Workstation B, type ping 192.168.1.100. If you get replies back with no errors, well, the issue is resolved. Step 6 is optional, but it's honestly a good idea. Reserve IPs in your router. Log into your router's web interface, usually at 192.168.1.1. Go to DHCP, then address reservation, or maybe LAN and then static DHCP, depending on your router. Find each MAC address of your workstations to a unique IP and save your settings. This helps you avoid future conflicts. Success! Now Workstation A and B have unique IPs, and they should stay connected without any more conflict or instability.